Well, we heard about and met Dean and Veronica from Seeka through my work. Over different discussions, we worked out that he could do modwood decking.
And Andrew came home and told me that I had to make this really nice guy because he had to build our deck for us. Dean and Veronica were so professional and great, especially compared to the other builders we dealt with through the storm damage repairs. The service from Seeka was exceptional. They thought about everything.
Treated us with respect. They were always on time. All the staff would say good morning. They would leave the place immaculate. Oh, it has to be attention to detail. Absolutely. Like Dean, when he would walk in each morning, he could pick the minutest gap, in the floor, and it had to be changed, had to be done. And he would always check with us, that's not right. Do you want that changed?
Or the placings of the boards on the steps, if we changed it slightly this way, it would line up a bit better then. So he really had an excellent eye for detail.
Oh, what don't we like?
Oh,
amazing. It has taken 20 years of our house. The deck now matches the finished job on the house. It just makes our whole life so much more livable out there. Like, we come home every day. It's beautiful to walk on with bare feet. It's lovely and easy to keep clean. It looks amazing.
I love the tiered backyard that they've done, levelled out the grass because it was a slope down before, and now they've put it to 2 levels, so it's a lot more usable for our son, for ourselves. And all of the team always took the time with our 5-year-old son Xavier to say good morning to him, and when he wanted to try and help out and be part of it, they would always take the time to talk to him.
And now he even has his own Seeka Constructions t-shirt that he loves wearing.
He wears it all the time.
Yes. I would say one word: seamless.
It was very easy working with them. They really went above and beyond and made sure the engineering of everything was done properly and with code, really.
Easy.
Absolutely, we recommend them.
And we will just, wherever we live here on the Gold Coast, we would always have them do anything for us. And we already have the next job for them.
We are looking at doing a few more things with them later in this year, hopefully. But I've already referred them to some people I know through work, and I have no hesitation at all. Professionalism.
Attention to detail.
Yeah, attention to details.
On time, sticking to the build timeline. These guys were here every single day from start to finish. It was not missed. Every single thing we asked for, they went above and beyond.
And even more things we didn't think of. The ideas that they came up with, the professionalism.
The attention to detail.
Excellent.
It's perfect. Easy. Just simply do it. You will not regret in one way, shape or form.